I saw the UPS truck pull in. I thought, oh my God, it's his stuff.
Is it this dry stuff?
Nope.
No. No, everything came back, all the squeaks and everything. I had to take the pulleys apart. Listen, let's see if it went away. Not bad.
I hear it.
Yeah, I hear it, but I mean, it was a lot worse. It sounded like a freaking dead animal going through there.
Well, maybe it needs to be oiled.
Yeah, that's what I did. I took them all apart. The pulleys, see right down here, look. See the either pulleys? This one and that one are the ones, are the two that were squeaking. So I just silicone spray like it said you're supposed to do with them, which we took it away before, but this time we didn't take it away. So
maybe it needs some more.
then I got to take it all apart again. I've sprayed the crap out of it. So I don't know if it's just everything's so tight, because remember I took everything apart, redid everything, the parts, pulleys and everything, and it's still squeaking. I don't know what the heck it is. Don't much to it.
So what have you done?
I took both set of pulleys off.
No. I'm talking about
absolutely nothing. I haven't pulled it out. I've been working on that since I got out here.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it's fine to drive. It's just it's irritating as heck. When you pull in with it,
yeah, everybody's looking.
Well, they're going to look at you anyway.
What are you gonna?
Well, I'm just a little disgusted right now, or depressed with the, or not depressed, but
all right,
because everything was good. But yeah, we were trying to get ready for tomorrow's big Elmer Day car show, which last year we got rained on. This year it's supposed to be like 79, sunny the whole time.
And they're going to have vendors and food trucks and music
and usually when it's sunny and there's no chance of rain, there'll be a crap ton of cars.
Yeah.
And so this will be your debut, basically, of driving a Firebird, and I'll drive the GTO. But right now, I mean, it's pretty clean. So I
But your plans were to shine them up a little bit.
Yeah. But the stuff that we wanted to get, that you're supposed to spray on and wipe off, which gives them the ceramic wax, did not show up, and it doesn't even show up on when it's going to arrive.
Yeah, tracking's not showing anything.
And we ordered it last week.
Yeah.
So the only thing I could think of is possibly because all the impact of the hurricane last week and how different states it's impacted, maybe that's the reason.
Also, didn't all the ports shut down?
Oh yeah, I forgot of the ports. That's
they just settled, I think.
Yeah. So,
but it looks pretty daggone shiny to me.
It is. It's pretty good. This one, I'm not worried about either one because I washed them right before the last one.
Yeah.
So remember we were going to go and then we didn't. So
right.
So yeah, it's ready to go. I just want to get the squeak away. So heads turn because of your beauty, not because of the squeak in your car.
Yeah.
So, but either way.
All right.
I mean, so I'm gonna get some spray and touch up the chrome in here because it's a little dingy, but it's not bad.
No, I think it looks pretty good.
It does look very good. And even the squeak, I'm hoping it goes away because, like I said, I looked online last time and they advised doing the specialist white lithium grease. Open up, see on these pulleys to bring it in close if you would.
Well, they're probably are they brand new? The belts, they look brand new.
Yeah, they're everything's
so
pretty.
So they probably have to be greased quite a while, and it probably has to run.
And that's probably a lot of the time with cars, older cars especially, if they're not run a lot, you got issues. And these are billet pulleys, tension pulleys for a serpentine belt. So you got to take each one of these things off, pull the cap off, spray the interior, and then put them back on to start it up because it's a guide. You got a back guide.
Could it be possible the pulleys are too tight or the pulleys need to be greased?
No, they should. And that's what I just did.
Oh, I thought you'd grease the belts.
No, you don't grease the belt. You grease the pulley, and that's what I said. Lithium grease is for the pulley. But you got to put them back together again so that this guide keeps the lip so the belt doesn't slide off. So you got to, so you're basically...
What is he doing?
Who?
John. What were you doing, bud? I hear noises back here. What, is there something under there? What you doing, huh? No, there's probably cat poop under there. Come on, come over this way. Come on. Johnny? Johnny. Good boy.
Okay, you ready for your first car show?
Yep.
What did you need? What do you need?
I needed a pillow. I can't see over the dashboard without a pillow.
Right. So
I'm driving the Firebird. Yay!
Yeah. So, but did you ever show what your pillows were?
Huh?
Did you show your pillows?
No, I thought we'd show them.
Okay, I was going to get you carrying them out to put them in the car. I think it's the best thing, since it's early morning in the metropolis of Elmer, and we want to get a good parking spot because it's supposed to be sunny and 79 today.
Do we have chairs?
I have 2 chairs in the back. Yeah, they're the burgundy bag chairs, which are perfect because they match the GTO. I don't have yellow ones that can match the Firebird, but we will have to think about that in the future.
Yes, maybe we will, or at least maybe a black one.
This is like your first day to school too, with your little book bag, right?
Well, I got a little bit of everything in there.
Well, you're not.
Well, I guess I'm not taking it.
No, you're not taking that tea in the car. No.
Okay.
Okay.
And you got the top down, right?
The top's down.
So,
yes.
Because I put my hair up.
No,
because
perfectly.
I don't want to blow it all over.
So, I think they're getting the first glimpse of the killer bee. So.
And the great thing is they're on either side.
Yeah, they match the car's emblems on the side.
But when they're sitting there, you're only going to see one side.
Right, but it'll be a decorative thing. Come on, let's go out. The kids, they're all running outside because of that squeak.
Do I need my keys?
No.
Okay.
So you can hear the rumbling of thunder out here.
I am a little nervous.
Why are you nervous? Just follow, not too close, because remember, it does not have power brakes. Let's hear that godforsaken squeak. It was going yesterday.
This will blow out, right?
It shouldn't. I'd keep them on the floor, the one on the floor down there in the car. Shouldn't blow out. I'm not guaranteeing anything. And I won't know because I'll be ahead of you. So yeah, so both the Pontiacs are going to be in the car show. Side by side. Terry's got to back one in though. It's like a dream come true. It's something like I used to dream about, and it's come to fruition. I guess fruition's the right word. Other than that lousy squeak! I know, the first leaf. That's bull crap. So hopefully they have like vendors with sandwiches out there because I'm starving. How about you? You starving? Yeah, good. All right. So you ready?
Yes.
Don't be nervous. What's the worst you can do? Wreck it.
I'm good.
Okay, you're good.
Okay.
Perfect.
There's a lot of cars.
There's a lot of people here. Last year, poured when we got here. What'd you do?
Turn it off.
Uh-oh. It's not good.
It out. That means I can't turn it off.
I don't know. No, you're good.
That was weird.
Yeah, I know. Well, there's something a little goofy with that ignition anyway.
Okay.
So, here,
right.
get your pillows ready.
Do you
Just
want them in the back or the front?
Wherever you want. Put them in the back, I think. Or the front. On the front seat's good.
You want you put that front seat back?
No, it's fine. Whatever you want to do.
It's way up from me driving it.
Right. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay? Morning.
Morning, how you doing?
All good.
Nice day.
Oh, you can't beat it. Like I said last year, it poured as soon as we got here. Hey, I hope everybody enjoyed our little town car show, the town of Elmer, which last year was kind of a washout because it poured in the morning, even though I was sitting there waiting, for my big car show of Elmer to see all the people that I basically knew and grew up with, to come and see the GTO. But not a lot of people came. So there was probably only 40 cars there. But this year, it was sunny, and the car turnout was amazing. It was crazy. I bet there was, what did you guess, 200? 200 cars?
I have no idea.
They had Broad Street filled.
I know the Firebird was number 47.
Number 47, yeah, and there was 2 car clubs there, and the irony, they all walked by me. Hey, would you like to join our car club? Because Terry's sitting there in a Firebird looking all lovely and everything. So yeah, bypass me and pick the woman.
Stop.
So, but no, it was nice. A lot of good cars there, a lot of people, but yeah. It was.
We had a good time.
It was a good time.
It was nice.
And we got to see a lot of family there, which was really good.
Yeah.
That we haven't seen in a while. And I thoroughly enjoyed it. And those little things for me mean the world. There's not a lot of really things you got to do. You pull your cars up. I got 2 Pontiacs, and they were sitting there, and they were beautiful, and a lot of compliments. So. Everybody, I hope you enjoy it as much as I did, and hopefully Terry did, because that was her debut of driving. So everybody, have a great day and a good life.
I did enjoy it. And did you check your email?
Why would I be checking my email?
To see if you won anything at the car show. I had to give your email when I registered the Firebird.
I didn't get anything from him, so I'm kind of a little peeved, and you brought that up. So I'm a big loser! And you're a big loser, too, for not winning for the Firebird, because technically you drove it.
Well, there's always next year.
No, that's what losers say. You don't say that. It's like getting a participation trophy. You didn't do anything. You just show up. That's the same concept. Have a great day and a good life. I'm going to waller in my self-pity for not winning.